shocking to us too that INEC would be attacking their own documents, processes that emanated from them. They are objecting it. Not only that those things came from them, they certified it.
The Labour Party and the presidential candidate of the party, Mr. Peter Obi, appeared before the court today in a good mood as they present other of their evidence before the court. And in court, the INEC challenged the same materials that were presented to them to bring before the court as an evidence. Now, this is the issue with Nigeria. But before I give much of my take on this particular one, I will allow you to watch what the lawyer of the Labour Party and that of Mr. Peter Obi.
I'm quite pleased with the progress made today. You watch the entire proceedings. You will see that initially, yes, we had some hitches, but along the line, everything went on smoothly. Where all the states' documents we wanted to tender, not tendered, the 6 states and the local governments that we came with were all tendered, and the court admitted all of them. So, yes, there were initial glitches or a problem, but along the line we were able to move on. So it's not an unnatural thing. It happens in the process of litigation. It's shocking to us too that INEC would be attacking their own documents, processes that emanated from them. They are objecting it. Not only that those things came from them, they certified it. And when you certify a document, it means I have the original copy in my custody, and I hereby give you this one, which I have certified, confirming that in my custody I have the original. So INEC, having done all this, they are still saying we will object. Of course, that's what you see in Nigeria. But in advanced climb, I doubt if after a document has emanated from you, you are the proper custody, you certify the document as emanating from you, and the document is tendered, and you are still saying you will challenge it.
This is what is obtainable in Nigeria and most African countries. It is something that we find it very difficult to just navigate off. Now, the election was conducted on the 25th of February this year, we all know. And because this party is not comfortable with the result announced by the INEC, they approached INEC to give them the materials for them to do their own analysis and present their evidence before the court, of which INEC obliged. But now in court, INEC is saying that the copy or maybe the materials that they are in possession of did not emanate from them. And this is so surprising for an organization to present an information to you certified by them, stamped by them, and then they come out to say, no, we never gave you such document, or trying to challenge the same document they gave to you. This is so worrisome, because for us to move from this stage of our democracy to a higher level, I think we need to step up our game and stop playing this hanky-panky kind of politics. Having said that, I will allow you to enjoy the remaining of that video, actually reacting to the appointment made so far by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Yesterday, we made it known that President Ahmed Bola Tinubu appointed the Speaker of the House of Representatives, Femi Gbajabiamila, and today we are seeing that the former governor of Benue State, Senator George Akume, has been appointed as the Secretary to the federal government. Now, this is the reaction from people. Many people are not sitting well with this appointment, because Femi Gbajabiamila is still a Speaker of the House of Rep member. He is still a House of Rep member, and he is a Speaker of the House. Now, being a Speaker and a House of Rep member, constitutionally, looking at the fact that Nigeria, we are practicing democracy, practicing constitutional democracy here, and having Femi Gbajabiamila, who is supposed to be the one checking the president, the executive, as the chief of staff, while he's still in the office, is something that many people are not taking it lightly, because having someone who is a speaker or even still a House of Rep member, then where is the separation of power in the Constitution? Here are some of the reactions from so many people on social media. Today, George Akume was announced as the SGF. George Akume was formerly the governor of Benue State for 8 years, after which he became a senator representing his zone. Akume became a senator for 2 terms before he was appointed by Buhari as a minister of special duty. And the Benue people, most people are actually celebrating his appointment, but this is a fake one. George Akume, being the governor of Benue State for 8 years, could not do much. And even being the Minister of Intergovernmental Affairs, we could not see what his ministerial role played in the development of Nigeria within the last 8 years. Able to achieve as a senator, 2-term senator, before becoming a minister under Buhari's administration. Now, looking at the role that he has been given to by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, do you think that Senator George Akume will be able to perform as the SGF in this administration for the next 4 or 8 years, as the case may be? It's to you to drop your opinion at the comment section.
All manner of things happen in Nigeria. Watch.
And we will charge you, gentlemen of the press, to interrogate INEC and find out why they will be doubting the integrity of the so-called election they conducted by challenging a document that they issued to us, certified it, and we tendered. That is what you will ask them, because it's so shameful, very, very shameful.